EarnIn and Cash App Borrow are both designed to give eligible users access to money before payday, but the speed depends on how you qualify. EarnIn is available to eligible users who complete its setup process, while Cash App Borrow is only available to selected Cash App accounts. By the end of this video, you'll know which service is generally faster, what can delay access, and which one is the better choice for your situation. If you're already eligible for Cash App Borrow, it's usually the quicker option because the feature is built directly into the Cash App. You simply open the app, check whether Borrow is available, review the offer, and accept it if you qualify. The biggest limitation is availability. Cash App decides which accounts receive access to Borrow, so many users won't see the feature at all. If Borrow isn't available in your account, there's no application you can submit to unlock it immediately. EarnIn works differently. Anyone who meets EarnIn's eligibility requirements can download the app, connect a supported bank account, verify their employment or information, and complete the setup process. Once your account is verified and you're eligible, you can request access to earned wages based on the app's requirements. Because EarnIn requires account verification before you can use the service, the first setup may take longer than opening an already eligible Cash App Borrow account. After you're fully set up, using EarnIn becomes much more straightforward. The better choice depends on where you're starting. Choose Cash App Borrow if the Borrow feature is already available in your Cash App account. Since it's integrated into the app, there's very little setup involved once you're eligible. Choose EarnIn if Cash App Borrow isn't available to you, and you want a service that eligible users can actively sign up for, instead of waiting for an invitation. No matter which option you choose, make sure your bank account information is accurate, your income details are current, and your account remains active. Those factors can help avoid delays during verification or eligibility reviews. Here's the bottom line. Cash App Borrow is generally faster for people who already have access to the feature. EarnIn is often the better option for users who want a service they can apply for directly without depending on Cash App to enable Borrow on their account. Your next step is simple. Check whether Borrow appears in your Cash App today. If it doesn't, compare EarnIn's eligibility requirements to see if it better fits your banking and income situation. If this comparison helped you choose the right option, like the video and subscribe for more comparisons of cash advance apps and everyday financial tools.